As much.
I know.
Go in this house and that girl, I thought that was Gary. Why you don't want to be on camera?
Can't dance, man. You told me I can't dance no more.
Hey, since when do you listen to me?
All the time.
You don't never listen to me. Jordan, you got dimples?
No?
Yeah, you do. Man. Oh, I got one right here. Mine's weird though. Look.
You got one.
How you got one?
You can have one dimple.
No.
Yeah, you can. DA has one dimple.
So that too, man.
But you can have one. This girl I met when I was locked up. Ernestina, she has 1.5. She got one right here, and she got half a dimple.
How you got one?
She has 1.5. She has a dimple right here. She has like half of this dimple. It shows like a crescent moon.
Oh.
I'm too mad you got her on your top, but you ain't got your own little sister on your top. Bullshit.
We ain't ever talking going out.
Bullshit.
I don't ever talk to you on my face.
So?
You don't be on my top?
Going up.
You don't be on my top?
Yes, I do. Him and Big Titty Bitch.
Who is that?
Shamika.
You out with her?
Nope.
You shouldn't.
Huh?
She be doing some stupid shit.
You said I shouldn't?
No. Yeah, ain't like I'm supposed to know who it is. Oh, her. No, bitch. I still don't know who you're talking about.
When?
Just not.
I said Shamika.
No, at first. That's specific.
You talking to Mookie over there. You gotta talk slow and explain.
You do, right? Because you just don't be getting
No,
stuff.
I didn't know who you was talking about.
Mookie. He said Mookie is Mookie. Mookie. Oh, keep that song on. I'm about to pause my TV.
Blow my booty, ho.
Oh, you been in my car?
Hey, fuck that, blow my booty, ho. Blow my booty, ho. Blow my booty, ho.
Why you be looking like that when you dance? You like...
Booty, ho.
You looking nasty.
Yeah, y'all motherfuckers want to get the white looking ass. You know what I'm saying?
Look at my birthday money.
Beat that shit, huh? Cause you going to YouTube with it. Nigga, this shot now, nigga, everybody know that already. Pussy motherfucker. But guess what? HS about to put this shit down. You know what I'm saying? This nigga gonna comment with the looking at nigga.
Looking ass nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Hold on, we gonna show y'all how to do it right though. Check this out. We looking at nigga, hoe looking at nigga, dirty white sock on your toe looking at nigga, rich looking at nigga.
Will you marry me?
Black looking at nigga, blue gold, black lip looking at nigga, midnight trunk like that nigga, flow looking at nigga, Don